Opportunity to introduce our project. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Interfra Vietnam and also Sojitz Corporation, I'm very glad to talk about the project. So let me start about the introduction of the port. So this is an existing facility we participated. This is 45 kilometers away from Ho Chi Minh City. So let me start with the population forecast. That's where we came into this business. You see the forecast of the population of Japan and Vietnam. As other presenters said, Japan kept a good market all over the world, but our population started decreasing since 2 years ago, I think. Then here is a forecast by United Nations. So earliest case in year 2026, Vietnam population will exceed Japanese population. And this curve looks like in year 1950, we have 80 million population, but we're going to have same population in 2050. Then what's going to happen in future? In year 2450, Japanese population to be 0 million people. Okay, here is a place. As you are aware, Ho Chi Minh City expanded map is here. This area is called Saigon Port or Ho Chi Minh Port. And this is 45 kilometers away from the direct distance. But actually now have to go by this way, which about 90 kilometers. And now we have the airport here, but new airport to be built here. And now new highway under construction here, and also this one is planned here. This route is supposed to be complete in year 2012. Once complete, the distance to the city is somewhere 45 kilometers we are expecting. This is the so-called Saigon Port or Ho Chi Minh Port, as most of them or people you are aware of. This is a kind of a skyscraper or downtown of Ho Chi Minh City. And just alongside of the river is the main bulk discharging terminal. This is from one of the skyscraper overlooking the downstream of the river. So this area is all the way down to the generally the berths to handle every cargo. And this is the existing facility, and this is the existing berth. Unfortunately, this berth is not very well designed to accept a bigger vessel, or luckily the arrival draft here is 14.4 meter, which is pretty much enough to do everything, but the air draft of the unloader is not enough to take Panamax vessel at this moment. This Interfra Vietnam have the 28 hectares of the land up to here. Oops, sorry. And this view is from the top of the mill overlooking the river mouth. This is a container yard built by Navy company called Newport, Saigon Newport or Tankang. This container terminal start servicing from next year. Completion end of the year. That's the plan I've heard. This is a scene of our construction work. And this is what we are building now. We spent quite a bit of time to study Vietnamese grain market, and we came to know the constraints of...
We have heavy equipments and step ordering tool. also near banking and others. What commodity we can handle? We can handle the steel, raw material, finished product, steel, and raw material, iron ores, like owned by Krakatau Steel, HBI, hot briquette iron, pig iron, steel scrap, steel billet, steel slab, direct reduced iron, and finished product, hot rolled coil, hot rolled sheet, cold rolled coil, wire rod, steel pipe, steel plate, steel bars, and etc. And non-steel, we have grain and non-grain. We have a soya bean meal, yellow corn, rapeseed, wheat, non-grain, gypsum, fertilizer, rice, salt, raw sugar, coal, carbon black, and etc. And it is a figure for the handling performance. Our discharging rate is figured by ship unloader. We unloading pallet 400 tons per crank per hour, and the soya bean 200 tons per crank per hour, soya bean meal 150 tons per crank per hour, and figured by ship's gear, sugar 65 tons per crank per hour, and by batch, coal 5,000 tons per day, gypsum 4,000 per day. To improve our services, we have some plan for 2008 until 2010 within future development program. We plan extend outer jetties, extend outer jetty pipe from 240 meters to 400 meters long for 40,000 diameter design, provided for 2-unit handymax size, completed early 2010. We also installed 1 new jetty for barge at Chittor Strait, completed mid-2009. We joined with the Malaysian company, CIBT, and also installed 3 additional new warehouses with capacity 12,500 meters each, metric ton each, completed in 2009. And also built an additional road access through Krakatau Industrial Estate, Cilegon, to Toll Road, completed in 2009. And we commit for this development program. And now, we talk about the quality guarantee. We have also got achievements for certificates for ISO 9020, ISO 9001-2000, and IPS code, and SSA. That's why we are committed to improve our quality standard further, but won't happen without your support. This is the name of our customers, such as Krakatau Steel, PT, Teluk Intan, Charun Pophan, Cargill, Cil Jedang, Sirat Cil Jedang Indonesia, Sirat Produce, Java Confit Indonesia, Malindo Feed Mill, Monokoyo Feed Mill, and etc. It is also, we provide commercial supporting facilities. We have also hotel, convention hall, and restaurant, golf course and driving range, swimming pool, fitness center, and tennis court. Also residential property. It is our existing facilities. And thank you, John.
Thank you.
This is all.